In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column headings from letters to numbers in Excel. If your Excel sheet is currently showing column labels as letters like A, B, C, and you want them to appear as numbers instead, this is a quick setting you can change in just a moment. This option is useful if you prefer a different reference style, especially when working with formulas or following certain documentation that uses numbered column references. To get started, open your Excel file. You can use an existing workbook or a blank one because this setting is part of Excel's preferences and not something you need to change directly inside the worksheet itself. Once your file is open, look at the top left area of Excel and click the File tab. After that, a menu will open. On the left-hand panel, find and click Options. This will open the Excel Options dialog box, which is where many of Excel's main settings are located. In that dialog box, look again at the panel on the left side and click Formulas. Now that you're in the Formulas section, scroll if needed until you find the setting called R1C1 Reference Style. This is the option that controls whether Excel displays columns as letters or numbers. Next to it, you'll see a checkbox. Click that checkbox to enable it, and then click OK to save the change. As soon as you do that, return to your worksheet, and you'll notice the column headings now display as numbers instead of letters. So instead of seeing A, B, C across the top, you'll see numbered headings. This means Excel is now using the R1C1 reference style. A helpful tip here is that this is simply a display and reference setting. So if you ever want to switch back, you can follow the exact same path. Go to File, then Options, then Formulas, and uncheck R1C1 reference style. That will bring your columns back to the standard letter format most people are used to. Also, if you're working alongside tutorials, teams, or templates that use numbered references, this setting can make things easier to follow and less confusing. But if you mainly work in standard spreadsheets, you may prefer the default letter-based headings. And that's it. That's how you change column headings from letters to numbers in Excel.